Street photography has to be one of my favorite means of photography. Walking around the city with my camera is like a therapy session, purely observing my surroundings and hunting for good pictures. One way you can make it more interesting is adding a human interest or subject to your pictures. Ciao, my name's Ben and I'm one of 2 creators of Chapter 6. There's so many ways to shoot street photography, so many techniques to try. You could focus on the architecture, or you can focus on close-up portraits, which is a more intimidating thing to do as it can be very personal and vulnerable. What I like to do is to become almost invisible, like the fly on the wall. I always opt to capture people and their surroundings, to tell a story, making the image more interesting. This can be done by having someone walk in your frame, either from far, like here, or closer into your frame, like in this picture. If I analyze my style of photography, I notice that I like the mystery aspect of the human subject. You can clearly see they're there, but you often don't see their faces. They're almost like a closed book yet to be read, as it leads me to wonder what the story is. Having human interest in your photos can also simply be to add a sense of scale, to show how big a place is. This is also done a lot in landscape photography. As you can see here, it shows the vastness of the golf course, suggesting a story of solitude or someone at peace. Let me know in the comments if you've learned something new, or maybe even just refreshed your mind with a common technique. Don't forget to subscribe and follow us on our socials linked below. Thank you for watching and see you next week.